Okay friends, good morning. Today we will discuss about matrices. Okay, matrices is our chapter number 3 and standard 12. Okay, and here we will discuss for English medium. Okay, done. So let's start. A matrix and matrices. A matrix is a singular form of matrices. So as we think about matrices, so first of all we have to think about its uses. Means what is the use of matrix or what is the use of matrices in our mathematics. So let's start with use of matrix. Okay, let's start. So first of all I write down general equation of two variable linear equation. Okay. So we all know about two variable linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. General equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c three are constant, x and y are variables. Okay, from that write two equation 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, say equation number 1. And I will take another equation 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, say equation number 2. Now we have two equations, two variable linear equation, we can say simultaneous linear equation. Okay, now for solving such type of two simultaneous linear equation we have 3 to 4 methods and all of you know about it. So first equation all of you know, elimination method. Okay, so first elimination method. By elimination method you can get x and y. Okay, second one graphical method. Okay, in graphical method you have to draw graph of two equations. Okay. In other words we can say that 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 represent a line, and 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0 is also representing a line. So we have here two equations, we can say rather than two lines are here. Okay, so first method is elimination method, second one is graphical method, third substitution method. Okay, and fourth one your favorite cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. So here some methods for solving out such two variable linear equation. So what is about matrices and what is about determinant? Determinant is chapter number 4. Okay, so determinants and matrices both are useful for solving such type of linear simultaneous equation. Okay, uh, in three variable linear equation we can also use matrices and determinants, but at here we will first of all discuss about only matrices, only a matrix. Okay, but we have to remember that what is the use of matrix. So now first topic is our what is the use, means we have to use matrix for solving this type two type of linear equation. Okay, now matrix. So simple definition of matrix is simple, in a simple way. What is matrix? So matrix is a arrangement. Okay, matrix. The matrix is an arrangement of real numbers in form of rows and columns. Okay, I repeat again. What is matrix? The matrix is an arrangement of real numbers. Okay, in form of rows and columns. Any simple way, very easy. Now arrangement of, now let 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 belongs to R real numbers. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 belongs to R. Now I have to arrange these 6 values or 6 numbers in the form of rows and form of columns, rows and columns. So now 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I can arrange 6 numbers in 2 rows. See, 1 2 3 is the first row and 4 5 6 is the second row. Here you know, you all know about the rows and what is the rows and what is columns. Okay, so 1 2 3 is the first row, 4 5 6 second row, 1 4 is the first column, 2 5 is the second column, and 3 6 is the third column. Okay, so we can arrange 6 numbers as 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now I can also 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can also arrange these 6 numbers just like that: first row, second row, third row, first column and second column. I can arrange. I can also arrange 6 numbers in only one row: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So simple. So simple definition of matrix is an arrangement, only arrangement of real numbers in form of rows and form of columns. Okay, this arrangement in rectangular form or maybe in square. Square means rectangular. So all arrangement are done in rectangular form. Okay, now next one. Okay, so as we see that matrix is an arrangement of real numbers. So by definition, we can say that matrix is a rectangular array. Okay, or we can say ordered rectangular array of numbers. We can take numbers or functions as well as. Okay, so now by definition, a matrix is an ordered rectangular array. Array means structure of a number. Is a good structure in row or columns. Okay, so regular array, rectangular array of numbers, or we can use functions also. Okay, now numbers may be real numbers or we can use complex number also, but in general we can use real numbers. Okay, so for matrix at here we use only real numbers. Okay, so the numbers may be real or may be complex, and we can use functions also. Done. Okay, now array of numbers is structured or is completed within a bracket. उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं. Okay, so an array of numbers is written within brackets. ब्रैकेट्स कौन से? ब्रैकेट्स, close brackets or open brackets. Okay, so we have to arrange numbers in close bracket or in open bracket. Okay, for example, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to arrange. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to arrange in close bracket. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are real numbers, and we can see we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are elements or entries of the matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are, we can say, elements of the matrix, particular matrix आपको जो दिया गया है वो matrix, और entries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are entries of particular matrix. Okay, so okay, now matrix is generally denoted by capital letters. Matrix is generally denoted by capital letters, means capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, etc. Okay, so for example, A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here matrix A 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3 is our first row, 4, 5 is our second row, 2, 4 is our first column, 3, 5 is our second column. So here 2 3 first row, and so here in matrix A having 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so here we can write 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, in the 2 by 2 means order of a matrix. 2 by 2 can order of a matrix. 2 by 2 means there are arrangement of 4 numbers. Okay, in 2 rows and 2 columns. Let us take another example. 1 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 0 -1 -2 and 7. Okay, so in matrix B, arrangement of 3 rows and 4 columns, 3 by 4. So here 3 by 4 means arrangement of total 12 numbers in 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so basic things are here. So first of all, the definition of matrix. So matrix is a simply arrangement of real numbers or complex numbers, but generally we use real numbers. Okay, and array of numbers written in close bracket or in open bracket. Okay, in form of rows and columns. Okay, matrix is generally denoted by capital letters. A, capital B, capital C, capital D. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 or whatever numbers are arranged, can say elements or entries of the matrix. Okay, so this is the basic type. Here first row 1 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, second row 0 -1 -2 7 is third row. First column, elements of first column is 1 and 0, element of second column 5 9 -1, elements of third column 6 10 -2, and elements of fourth column 7 11 or 7. Okay, now next. So here matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6. So again 1 2 3 first row, 4 5 6 second row, 1 4 first column, 2 5 second column, 3 6 is a third column. Now matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 by 3, we can say 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3 means 6. So arrangement of 6 elements. We can also use 3 by 2 matrix for 6 elements. Okay, 6 entries. Okay, now matrix is not a number. Matrix is not a number. It has no numerical values. Okay, matrix is not a value. Matrix value nahi hai. Matrix has a no numerical values. Okay, so matrix has no values because matrix is only structure of real numbers or complex numbers. Okay, now order. Order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns. Let's suppose a matrix having m rows, number of rows are m, and n columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns, we can say that a matrix particular जो matrix आपको दिया गया है m rows and n columns, so order of particular that matrix is m by n, an arrangement of mn numbers. Okay, suppose a matrix m is equal to 7 rows. A matrix having a rows, number of rows 7 and number of columns 8. So what is the order of matrix is 7 by 8 and total 56 arrangement of numbers. Okay, 56 numbers, arrangement of 56 numbers. So what is 7 cross 8? So 7 cross 8 is a order. M cross n is a order, means m cross n, so we can easily say the m rows and n columns. Okay, now we have to arrange mn elements through m rows and n columns. So let us see how can we arrange m rows and n columns, means mn elements, by graphical. Okay, so n cross n matrix. Okay, we have discussed about m cross n matrix. Again, M cross n matrix means a matrix having m rows and n columns and arrangement of mn elements. So m by n matrix, m cross n or m by n. So m by n matrix is has a following array. Let us see following array. Okay. First of all, our close bracket, because all array of numbers within a close bracket. Okay. Now first, your first entry, you can say first entry small a11. A11 means first one is stand for row and second one is stand for column. So A11 is laying in first row and first column. Okay, so A11, small a11. A11 is an element which is lying in first row and first column. Okay, now second A12 means first row, second column. Okay, now A13, so first row, third column. So dash dash dash. Now last element of first row, A1n. Why A1n? Because A1n is situated in first row and nth column. Because our matrix, order of matrix is m by n. So m row. Now first row is complete, A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Now second row. Second row, first column. So we can write A21. A21. First number is stands for row and second number 1 is stand for column. So A21, A22, A23 dash 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 and last element A2n. Okay, same as A31, A32, A33 dash 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 A3n and go up to mth row. Okay, but what for mth row? AM1, m row and first column. Okay, mth row, second column, mth row, third column. Okay, last element is AM. So here array of m by n matrix. You can write here m by n, m rows and n columns. So all arrangement of mn elements done by m row and n column. Okay. Now symbolically we can write this arrangement in short form Aij m by n. M by n is an order of given matrix. Okay, I stands for row and J stands for column. Okay, now suppose A is equal to Aij 2 by 2. So there are arrangement of four numbers Aij. So what is entries? What are the entries? Okay, so first one A11, A12, A21 and A22 here. A11, A12, A21, A22. So this first four entries for 2 by 2. Okay, for 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Just like that. Okay, and last one. Suppose A is equal to let Aij 1 cross 5. 1 cross 5 means 1 row and 5 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A14, A15. So arrangement of 5 numbers. We can say row matrix. Later we will see. Okay. So here m by n matrix, arrangement of m by n matrix and symbolically form the symbol form of A is equal to Aj m by n. Okay, done.